In a country overwhelmed by COVID, sweeping vaccine demand has spawned massive logjams like this one. Houston unveiling its first vaccine clinic today. Hours later, call centers were swamped.
I counted on my phone over 400 calls that I tried to get through and never got through.
He's 76 years old and got issues, so we need to be in this line.
Spanning from Texas to Florida, seniors waiting in line for hours.
There was like people in front of me in their late 80s, and they could hardly walk, and they were sitting out there that whole time too.
And in Tennessee, the police actually had to turn people away.
Some of us are getting the car and pulling along the curb and just sitting in the car to try to stay warm and not get tired.
Yet despite the desperation, the national figures for vaccinations are stunningly short of expectations. The federal government promised 20 million immunized by year's end, but a CDC dashboard shows more than 14 million doses distributed and fewer than 3 million vaccinations. A reality Utah Senator Mitt Romney calls inexcusable.
We have people who will die needlessly if we're not able to get vaccines out as quickly as humanly possible. And we're just not seeing that.
Amidst the frustration, feelings of joy, too, as Dr. Keisha Raphael of Memorial Healthcare System in Florida becomes one of the first frontline workers in the country to get her second dose.
Is there anything you would want to say to the general public just about this process?
I think having apprehension is normal, but the main thing we need to do is come together as a nation to get rid of this virus. And the way that we do that is to do it through this vaccination.
An hour later, Dr. Randy Katz also joined the rare group of doctors and nurses with 2 doses. As many Americans and even healthcare workers show hesitance, the Riverside County Public Health Director in California saying half of frontline workers there have refused the vaccine.
It's extremely important that we get out there and set an example and show people that this is a safe vaccine and the virus is a deadly virus. I've seen what it can do to patients and people.
Sam, we saw those long lines in Florida. Are they doing anything to meet the demand?
Jose, they're trying to keep up. Where I am in Broward County, there are several sites coming online starting tomorrow, specifically for people who are 65 and older. That includes the park behind me. 500 folks are going to get vaccinated here, but it's by appointment only. And as you talk about the demand, Jose, the site right now to book is down.
Sam Brock in Davie, Florida, thank you.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.